well, was gonna get started on the video, but my cats wanted to say hi real quick. What's up, Panther? Can't even see him, he's black. You gonna work out too, bro? Come here. Come here, boy. You're a good boy. Come here. Oh, he's shy of the camera. He's like, yo, get the camera off me, boy. Where the other one's at? Wanna say hi too? Yeah? You wanna be pet, huh? Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you like that, huh? And the other one's hiding in the room. But anyways, let's get back to the video.
Back again, Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Guess who's back?
I created a monster, cause nobody wants to see Marshall no more. They want Shady, I'm chopped liver. Well, if you want Shady, this is what I'll give you. A little bit of weed mixed with some hard liquor, some vodka that'll jumpstart my heart quicker than a shock when I get shocked at the hospital by the doctor when I'm not cooperating. But I'm rocking the table while he's operating. You waited this long to stop debating, cause I'm back, I'm on the rag and I'll be waiting. I know that you got a job, Miss Cheney, but your husband's heart problem's complicated. So the FCC won't let me be, or let me be me, so let me see. You try to shut me down on MTV, but it feels so empty without me. So this looks like no time for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like no time for me, so everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed my little back workout. I'm basically introducing all my workouts in different videos, and then if you guys want to know the complete workout, I'll have separate videos explaining what I do for different parts of the body at different days. I work out 5 days a week, so each body part has a day. So if you guys want to know my routine, the full routine, because this is just like sneak peeks of what I do, then you guys subscribe to my channel, like and comment down below, and share. You do that, then I'll explain, and then you guys can get like this, just like me. Alright, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.